Hey everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to my Vlogmas series. This is Sushmita and today I'm going to be talking about my skincare favorites. Also, I have a giveaway lined up at the end of the video, so don't forget to stay tuned till the end to know about the details of the giveaway. And now let's get started with today's video. The first product that I'm going to be talking about is this facial oil from the Plum. So this is the grapeseed and sea buckthorn glow store face oil blends, and this is what the thing looks like. It is absolutely lovely. Like, I have oily skin type and I love to use this thing during the winters, especially for my winter nighttime routine. Like today I have like a bunch of makeup on my face, so tonight I'm definitely going to be using this. It kind of gives my skin a really nice glow moisture boost, especially if I'm putting a lot of makeup, if my skin is going through like a lot of hardships on certain days. This is like a savior. So this thing comes with its own cute little dropper, which is like super hygienic to use. I of course love to drop it like the influencer way, tuck tuck tuck, and it just falls on the ground. So don't try to do that. Just take it on your palm and do it on your face. And this thing is really amazing. You won't need a whole lot of it, but you can see how much I've already used up, like till this much. So it's really amazing. And also, if you're someone with a dry skin type, you'd love to use it underneath your makeup. Like, it's gonna make your foundation look so flawless. You know, when I want that really nice natural dewy sort of a look, I love to use this beneath my foundation. Also, I have the Lakme matte kind of a material mousse foundation, and I love to use this oil underneath it to give me a really nice and dewy look. The next product that I would love to talk about is this Body Shop Tea Tree Night Lotion. So again, this is what the thing looks like. 30 ml, I think retails for 992 rupees. I won't even need to look at this bottle because this is the 7th bottle I'm using. 7th or 8th bottle I'm using right now. It is absolutely lovely. Comes with a pump cap. So this is a thing. And I like love to use this all throughout the year. I've been using this cream for I think the last 3 to 4 years, and every time I would stop using this cream, I would break out. Like, there would be not a single time that I would like not use this cream, maybe for 10 to 15 days, and I will definitely surely have one pimple right up there, right up on my face. And I love to use this thing. Recently I've started using the anti-blemish face oil. So this is one thing that I absolutely love. I mean, if you're someone who wants to, you know, get a really nice night cream and you're ready to shell out a few bucks, then this is definitely that you should get your hands on. It's absolutely lovely. I mean, I swear by it. Now the next one that I want to talk about is the L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Crystal Micro Essence Smoothing and Radiance Serum sort of a thing. So this is again what it looks like. This is the smallest packaging, I guess. This is for 22 ml. You'll get a 60 ml one as well. I picked up the smallest one and I have been loving it. Like, I use it in my morning skincare routine, like just as the first and the beginning most step in my skincare routine, and it's like worked wonders for me. The best thing about this essence is that you won't need a whole lot of it, so it's going to last you for a really long time. The only drawback with this thing is that I prefer it came with like a pump cap or even like a spray or even maybe a dropper. This thing, the way it is like kept, you have to kind of drop it on your palms, which makes it a little bit, you know, like for me it's a little bit of a hassle to kind of get this thing out of. But overall I really like this product, and once I'm done with this one, I'm gonna be buying the larger variants packs as well. The next skincare favorite that I absolutely love is this Nykaa mask. So it's a peel off mask, and this is the Nykaa Go for Glow Spotlight Bright face mask. Now it is available in like a bunch of different variants, and this is the one which I picked up. It's like they have one charcoal, one spotlight, one insta glow, and all of that. This is something that I got and I absolutely love it. It's a peel off mask. It kind of gets peeled off super easy, and of course it comes with its own silicone applicator. So this is the really nice cute little silicone applicator which it comes with this thing, and it is amazing. It's like, wow, so nice. It looks so good. So yeah, this is one thing which I absolutely have been loving, and I'm planning to get, you know, like the different variants of this one as well. I was a little skeptical in getting this in the beginning, whether it's going to work for my skin type or not, but it's absolutely amazing. In fact, the best thing about this is that, you know, there are face masks which have some actives in them which won't really give you that glow immediately when you're using them, but with this thing it's like an instant glow sort of thing. So you'll put this face mask before maybe an event, or maybe if you're going out, you can just put this on and expect it to do its wonders on you. And now the last product that I'm going to be talking about is the Biotic Advanced Ayurveda Bio Papaya Revitalizing Tan Removal Scrub. So this is again what it looks like. I have almost run out of this, like I don't even have much left. So this is only the amount that is left in this. And of course previously when I purchased it, the tube one was not there, and of course I didn't really find this packaging too hygienic, but now they've come up with this really nice tube things and it's super easy to use, super easy and convenient to use. But of all the different types of face scrubs that I've used, this one is really amazing, though it is a little bit harsh on the skin. Like it does have some, I think the scrub particles are either walnut or apricot based, so it is a little bit harsh on the skin, but I honestly really like the feeling of something on my skin, because it kind of makes me feel like, yeah, something is being scrubbed away, something is going. So it kind of gives me that really nice squeaky clean sort of a feeling. If you're someone with a sensitive skin type, maybe it can, you know, like be a little bit too harsh on your skin, so just give it a go. But overall, if you're someone who's used to using walnut or apricot based scrubs, especially if you have used the Everyuth type scrubs, you're someone who's going to love this thing, because it's very similar in consistency to the Everyuth walnut scrub. But even better than that, it instantly gives you that glow, and the next day after using this scrub, my skin looks so flawless. So yeah guys, that was all for today's video, and while I was filming, my necklace literally came from here to here. So yeah, that is like so clumsy of me. But anyway guys, if you like this video, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also give a huge thumbs up. And if you've used any of the products that I mentioned in today's video, then don't forget to comment down below. And now coming to today's giveaway, we will be giving away Nykaa vouchers worth ₹500 and to 2 of you. And this giveaway is going to be hosted on both Instagram as well as on YouTube, the details of which will be mentioned in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. So yeah, and that was all for today, and I'll see you guys at a brand new video very soon.